In this video, we will learn how to find the multiplicities of zeros of a polynomial function. When we factor a quadratic equation, if the factor is raised to a power greater than 1, the root or zero that corresponds to the factor is repeated. For example, let's look at the quadratic equation x squared minus 10x plus 25 equals 0. When factored, the equation is written as the quantity x minus 5 squared equals 0. The solution, also known as the zero or the root, is x equals 5. Because the factor x minus 5 is repeated twice, we say that 5 is a repeated or multiple zero of the polynomial function. The number of times that a zero repeats is called its multiplicity. So let's recap. If the quantity x minus a to the nth power is a factor of polynomial f, then a is called a zero of multiplicity n of f. In this case, x minus 5 squared is a factor of polynomial f, so 5 is a zero of multiplicity 2 of f. Now, let's look at an example where we are asked to find the multiplicities of zeros of a polynomial function. Find the multiplicities of each zero of the polynomial function. H of x equals the quantity x minus 9 to the 8th power times the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 1/4 to the 4th power. To help us solve this problem, recall the definition of the multiplicity of 0. If the quantity x minus a to the nth power is a factor of a polynomial function, then a is a zero of multiplicity n for that polynomial function. So, for the factor x minus 9 to the 8th power, 9 is a zero of multiplicity 8. For the factor x plus 2, we can think of plus 2 as minus negative 2 so that it conforms to our definition of multiplicity. Thus, negative 2 is a zero of multiplicity 1. Finally, for the factor x minus 1/4 to the 4th power, 1/4 is a zero of multiplicity 4.